Hello, guys. So, today we are going to do the reading for the day and see what kind of messages we are having, what kind of energies we are going to deal with, and how to deal with the energies around. Okay. So, this is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So, let's see what do the cards have for the day. Okay, so I see there is a lot you have on your plate. Okay, there is like so much of responsibilities on your shoulders. It can be related to your work, taking care of your family, taking care of your health, trying to balance your physical, mental, emotional health all together. And there is a lot. And I see that there is, this energy of when will things, fall into place? When will I be able to finally reach home? Here, when I'm saying reaching home, matlab ki you are craving for that feeling of being at peace, when everything will settle down and when I will be able to relax. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. I also see for some of you you are overwhelmed. आपने दूसरों की responsibilities भी अपने ऊपर ले ली है, जो आपका जो आपका task नहीं है वो भी आपने ले लिया है, and now you are tired. Okay, and for some of you I see that you might feel that there is no support, there is no emotional support, there is no mental support from anybody. There is it's like आपको लग रहा है कि आप कोई ऐसा है नहीं आपके आसपास या आपके कनेक्शन में जिससे आप अपने जो भी आपके अंदर चल रहा है, जो भी आप डील कर रहे हो, उसको आप शेयर कर सको किसी से. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज मोर हेवी ऑन यू. ओके, फॉर सम ऑफ यू आई सी दैट इट्स लाइक आपको किस फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन बी फॉर वेरी फ्यू कि आपको बैक एक का भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है कि यू माइट बी फीलिंग यू माइट बी हैविंग बैक पेन और सम इश्यूज इफ यू आर सिटिंग फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स. सो उस तरह की एनर्जी भी मुझे दिख रही है. सो इट इज समवेयर इम्पैक्टिंग योर हेल्थ, योर फिजिकल हेल्थ, बिकॉज ऑफ द so much of work you have taken on your shoulder, so much of responsibility you have taken on your shoulder. So that is what I'm getting here. Try to divide, try to see what is important for you at this time. आपको प्रायोरिटी सेट करने की जरूरत है. कौन सा टास्क आपको अभी कंप्लीट करना है और किसको आप बाद के लिए रख सकते हो, उसके हिसाब से आप चीजों को सेटल करो. Try to close one thing at a time instead of taking everything all together. Okay, so that is what the message I have for the day, guys. Please prioritize your work, don't stress too much, and everything will fall into place at the right time. So that is what I am having here for the day. This is Mystical Ani. If you have liked this video, if you have connected with this video, please do hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye-bye.